Good day, watchers. Welcome to Japan Time. I live in Japan and I make videos of watches. Sometimes new watches, but most of the times just watches I wanted to add to my collection. So welcome to the world of wonderful engineering of horology. Hello, watchers. We have a different unboxing today. This is the Casio G2100. So there are so many variations of this. So before we go further for the video, we kind of preface this one with a clip. So this is the G2100 from Casio, and they have so many color variations. Right now, probably hundreds, and these are the newly released ones. I know I've been wanting to have one of these, but there are so many choices. It's so hard, but finally I made the choice and I went for this. They have this new thing which like a lume dial, which kind of I had that when I was in high school, my Casio, and I kind of missed that watch, so I decided to go for this one. And it also like what they call this new release, carbon guards. Yep, I don't know what about it, so let me see if I can find out what it's all about. So this is my choice, the Casio GA2100 series. This is the men's carbon core guard, and I got it in gray. And this is also part of the Hidden Glow series. So they also have like other models from, not from the GA2100 series, but yep. And yes, a little bit of history of G-Shock. This was launched in 1983, and they have the, as I mentioned before, they have the Hidden Glow series back then, which I did have during my high school days. So this is just gonna be a short video, and I'm just gonna go wing it a little bit. I did not do a script for this one. So let's go. And let's look at that Hidden Glow, what that I mentioned before. And I already exposed this to UV light. And I'm doing the one in the background is my Seiko, which are one of the best looms out there. There you go. It does last a long time. Not as long as the Seiko ones, but it does hold a little bit. Now let's go to the case size. We have a 45.4 millimeters. And we do have a lag to lag of 48.6, although it's a little bit not sure where the lugs are. We have a flat 11 millimeters, really thin. And we do have a 24 millimeters on the lug, but that depends if you remove the bracelet. It's gonna be like 21. And here it is on my 16.5 cm wrist. It does look good. It's the thinness is really nice, even though it's 45 millimeters. And even though this is a G-Shock, it's not as bulky as the other G-Shock. So you gotta love this one. You gotta love the GA2100 series. And so, like I mentioned, this is just gonna be not so much of a review, but it's more of a showing what I have decided on this lineup. And there you go. If you really want to have one of these, there are like hundreds of choices. You just have to be patient, or if you're picky, just be patient, and maybe say Casio will come up with the one you want. And one more thing, this watch have a lot of modding capabilities. You can replace the case with metal, and you can find a lot in AliExpress or even here at Amazon. So there's a lot of possibilities for this watch, and actually I'm thinking of doing that. So just don't forget to subscribe and keep watching to support this channel. See you in the next time, and enjoy the rest of the video.